So you guys have been asking me how you can live stream on Facebook through OBS. This is your video. Let's get started right now. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook account, then I think it's high time you create one. So how do we do that? Just come here to your browser and type in Facebook. Just type in Facebook in here. In my case, I'm going to use VPN, because in my country Facebook is currently banned. You cannot access Facebook without VPN. So there is a VPN that I use called Hotspot Shield. It is free and it has premium accounts as well, so you can go ahead and pay for the premium one if it works best for you. But in my case here, I'm using a free account, so I've just connected it. I'll place its link in the description below so that you can also download and try it out. And let's go back to Facebook here and refresh this page. It comes instantly. So my Facebook is open. Let's go to OBS Studio and set up OBS Studio. I'll create a new scene here and I'll call this scene Top Notch. Click OK. Then inside this scene I'll add in my logo first. My logo is an image, so I'm adding in an image source and I'll call this Top Notch logo. Remember, you can name this anything that you want. So I'll go through my browser, get my Top Notch logo. Remember, for every source you bring in, you come here to transform and fit it to screen, and then I'll go ahead and resize it. I think I'll resize it and place it up here. Then I'll add in another source of a text and I'll call this Top Notch title. Click OK. Then in this I can put in something like I'll put them everything in uppercase. I'll say area view of Mbarara City. This is where I'm currently at. I can select any font I want. Just select any font within these fonts that are pre-installed in here. Do Arial, narrow, bold, then it up. I think I'll give it a background color of blue. This light blue. Then I'll increase its opacity, the opacity of the background color, to 100%. We went through all these. You can check out my video on how you can get started with OBS Studio. The link is also down in the description. So I'll also transform this and fit it to screen. Then I will resize it just a little bit smaller and then just place it down there. Area view of Mbarara City. Just make it a little bit smaller. I think it's not getting the size that I want, so I'll come back to transform and then stretch it to screen so that I can adjust it according to my preferences. I'll just do that and then push it from the left and push it from the right as well. Adjust it a little bit more, and this is what I wanted. I can add in another text, but I think this is good enough. This is probably good enough. Then I'll bring in my video because I have a video down here. I'll bring in a video through the VLC video source. I'll call this the Top Notch video. Then I'll browse, click on add here, add files. Then I'll browse through my PC. I had some videos in here. Browse through my PC. This is the area view of Mbarara City. That is a 2022 footage that I recorded. And then I'll bring this video down below everything else so that it can be viewed. In my text, I just want to add in something small. So if I click onto my title here, this is where I can edit it from. Add 2022. This is where the video was recorded, guys. Yeah. I think I'll record another one. This, yeah. And the video has a logo in it. Yeah, this video has a logo in it. But nevertheless, let me just add this down here. My logo is up here. It can't be seen because of its color, but that is okay for now. So yeah, this is what I want to live stream. This is what I want to push on Facebook. And if you can see down here in the audio mixer, you can see its audio. You can see its audio is active and it is playing. In your case, you could be not able to hear this audio playing, so I'll show you how you can activate it. Come here on these three dots and then come to Advanced Audio Properties. When you come to Advanced Audio Properties, you will see all the audio mixers that you have here, all the audio sources that you have here. Desktop audio, mic stroke AUX audio, and then lastly we have our video down here, which we have just added in the top-notch video. And what you have to do is come here on Monitor Off, where you say Monitor Off, click on the drop down and then select Monitor and Output. Monitor Off means you, the person playing this video, you, the producer or the person making this video, will not be able to hear the audio. Then when the other option is Monitor Only, Output Mute. Monitor Only means you, the person who is working on this video, will be able to hear it. You, the producer, the person streaming this video, will be able to hear it, but the people watching will not be able to hear it. Lastly, we have Monitor and Output, which means you, the producer or the person streaming this, will be able to hear it, and the people viewing will be able to hear what you're playing. I hope that is very clear. So let me put it back to Monitor Off, which means I don't want to hear this because I don't want it to distract me. But in your case, do Monitor and Output so that you can be able to hear it, and the person watching this live stream can also be able to hear what you're playing. I hope that's clear. For every video that you bring in here, do that exact thing. Monitor and Output, Monitor and Output. I hope that is clear. So let me just do this and then make sure that so everything is okay here. Everything is okay. We have our video, we have our logo, we have our text, and our audio is in as well. So let's go back to Facebook, and then in your account or on your page, you will see this thing which says Go Live. You see this option that allows you to go live. It's called Live Video. So you just click onto that live video and then click on Go Live right here. Yeah, click on Go Live, and it will take a few seconds for the page to load. Then come here where it says what's your video about, and then tell us what your video is about. Mine is about air testing. Air testing, I can put this bar and say top-notch media. Down here, do the same thing, or you can put in, you can put in what your video is about down here in the description. Air testing, blah 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 blah, and so on and so forth. Then click on, save this. Make sure that this is in streaming software. Make sure that it is in streaming software. Then if you want to tag some people, this is where you do it. You can tag your friends, you can tag groups, if you want to add your location, if you want to add emojis and stickers, how you feel the activity you're doing, you can add all these in here so that you can drive more traffic. Then if you want to add groups to promote, this is what you do. All the groups that you're in, all the groups that you're managing, that's why you do it. Notify people by messenger, just so that when you go live, messages get sent to their inboxes that you are live. But the basic and the main thing that we need here is the stream key. So click on copy this stream key, then come here to your OBS, come to settings. Under settings, come to stream, then here in service, select Facebook Live. Select Facebook Live. That the server is default because the Facebook Live server is already inbuilt within the system, within OBS. So just paste Ctrl V, paste the stream key there, and then apply and click OK. Once you're done with that, just come here and click on start streaming. And yeah, it has started streaming. How do I know? Because down here I can see my bandwidth, it has started counting, and right next to it I can see how long I have taken, how long it has taken after clicking on the start stream button. So let us go back to our Facebook page, and when you go to our Facebook page, you can see the video is already there, the video is already running, and down here we have a button that says go live. So before you go live, you want to double check what you did. Is the title okay? The description, is it okay? Have you tagged the people, the organizations, the pages, the groups that you want? Have you added your location if you wanted to? Have you added the feeling with the activity that you're doing? Make sure that we are in streaming software. What else? And basically that's it. Remember, here we are live streaming on your account, on your Facebook account. If you're streaming on a page, it's still the same thing, honestly. Then what else? Preset pinned comments. Okay, if you want to bring in comments that will always be pinned on top, maybe they're about the live stream or what. Under advanced settings, let me see. No, these are not that much helpful for now. I'll create another video explaining to you how those are, but yeah, basically that's it. So once you've confirmed that everything is okay, all you have to do is click on go live. Once you click on go live, everyone that is following you on Facebook will be able to access your video or whatever you're streaming. So that has been it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for following Top Notch Media, and catch you in the next video.